Almighty! It is I, Manong Jaire, back at it again with a brand new! Alam nyo na yun mga kaunggoy!
Yo, I hit the drill, I got some goals. I sold a little weed, but I could never sell my soul. And when I'm in LA, you find me out in Lil Toe. Come up vocal with my ramen, I'ma need another blow, let's go.
Walang maisip na video or content idea productions up in here, ladies and gentlemen. So, sasagutin ko ang mga katanungan ninyo na nilagay nyo sa huling Q&A episode, ladies and gentlemen. So, without further ado, let's answer your questions mga kaunggoy. So, if you guys want to ask questions mga kaunggoy, pwede naman kayo mag-comment ulit sa video nito. Sa comment section, mag-post lang kayo ng kung anong mga questions. Any questions will do, just not controversial topics or whatever na against sa community guidelines ni YouTube mga kaunggoy. Damlao NO1, number 1 NO, kung paano man basahin, number 1 NO1, basta yun. Ano masasabi nyo sa ML? May naglalaro ba sa inyo? ML, Mobile Legends MOBA. Yung Mobile Legends, yun ba yung parang Dota pero nasa mobile? I don't know, man. May naglalaro ba sa amin? Si Rick G, nakikita ko sa my day niya, mga kaunggoy. ML, ano masasabi niya sa ML? Siguro kina Rick G, masasabi nila it's the greatest game of all time. Sino yung pinakagwapong membro ng Gplanasquad? Sino pinakagwapong membro ng Gplanasquad? Well, that is very easy, man. That is a very easy question. This is the easiest question in this series, mga kaunggoy. You wanna know who is the pinakagwapong membro ng Gplanasquad? Eto na, he's gonna show himself right now. It's me. Yes, that's right. Me, Manong Jaire, the handsomest member unggoy in Gplanasquad history. The most electrifying, the most handsome member of Gplanasquad of all time. Weighing in at 56 kilograms. Sa tingin ko mga kaunggoy, yun yung huling measurement sa weight ko eh. Height, 5'6". That's pretty tall mga kaunggoy in Filipino standards. Residing in Mandaluyong City. Hometown Mandaluyong City, yeah, that's right. You're reigning, defending, undisputed, most handsome, pinakagwapo, championship, handsome man in Gplanasquad. Manong Jaire. Hashtag be confident with yourself. Be like Manong Jaire. Basta magka-confidence kayo sa sarili nyo. That's why I'm doing this and that's why you should do this as well. Dapat ganyan kayo ka-confident sa inyo na basta isipin nyo na you're awesome. Ladies and gentlemen, there is your answer. And I do apologize kung medyo cocky or arrogant yung video na yon, pero I'm showing you guys how to be confident with yourself. You guys need to be confident with yourself and kailangan may self-confidence kayo to combat your anxiety, mga kaunggoy. That's how I combat my anxiety and it works. Alright, it works. Ano yung madalas nyong ginagawa ngayong quarantine? What else do you want me to do? Ralph Michael Cruz TV! Mahal mo ba ako, Fafa Jaire?
What are you, fucking gay?
What the hell is this, Ralph? Ano klaseng tanong to?
What are you, fucking gay?
But the thing is, yes, ladies and gentlemen, I love Ralph more than EJ Lina. You guys remember EJ Lina from episode 1 of Itanong mo kay Manong? Yeah, that girl right there, EJ Lina. I don't love her anymore. I love Ralph Michael Cruz TV. He's
I want to break free.
Ano una niyong gagawin pagkatapos ng quarantine? Giovan Buenvenida. Sorry kung mali-mali yung mga pag-pronounce ng pangalan ninyo. I'm not good with names. Unang gagawin pagkatapos ng quarantine? Well, probably gala time, gym time, whatever time. Gala-gala this, gala-gala everywhere, outing. We miss the outside world, ladies and gentlemen, and we're gonna take advantage of the outside world. Once the quarantine is over, we're gonna have our happy fun time in the outside world because we miss the outside world and we haven't seen the outside world for 2 months. Michael De Vera! Naisip nyo na ba gumawa ng Gplanasquad merch o magbenta kung meron kayo? Yeah, we've been thinking about Gplanasquad merch for a while now, and meron kaming Gplanasquad merch dati, alam ko, pero hindi, parang ginawa lang namin para sa amin, pero hindi pa kami nagbenta. Pero balak namin magbenta kung sikat na kami, yung sobrang sikat, para, alam nyo yun, para merong bumili. Alright? Pinag-iisipan namin gumawa ng Gplanasquad merch, and it's part of our master plan, ladies and gentlemen. Eastan Lisa, nagti-TikTok ba po kayo? Ralph Michael Cruz and Chad. The rest, hindi ko alam kung may nagti-TikTok sa amin, pero paano ba yung TikTok na yun? I don't even get it. Like, parang Vine ba yun or whatever? How do you even do this TikTok thing? Elisa Mercedes, para sa next nyo pong Q&A, bakit wala pong permanente sa mundo? The only thing that is constant here in this world is change, mga kaunggoy. Everything is changing. Walang permanente. Everyone changes. Nothing's permanent, mga kaunggoy, and that's a fact. Wala tayong magagawa eh. Ganyan na talaga eh. Cherish every moment cause not everything is permanent. That's a rhyme. I guess that rhymes. Hey, I'm a rhymer, poetrist. Top 3 best YouTubers para sa inyo. Yung top 1 namin. Top 2 si Filthy Frank sana, kaso hindi na siya nag-YouTube. So, the top 2 spot goes to Mr. Beast. Kilala niyo yun si Mr. Beast? Mr. Beast? Yeah? This guy? Yeah? And for our top 3, yung top 3 para sa akin is hindi nyo siya masyado kilala ata. For me I think he's underrated, and for me, parang nasabi kong favorite YouTuber ko siya kasi alam nyo yun, napupuyat ako kakanood ng mga videos niya, and napapamarathon ako sa mga videos niya. It's alternate history hub. He makes these parang what if Trump was never elected president. Alam mo yung mga parang animation na parang it's about history, it's about war, and parang alam mo yung history ng mundo, parang yung mga what if scenario ng mundo, ng mga nangyaring historical mga events sa mundo. Like, what if Germany won the war, World War II, whatever. Basta, ang dami nitong mga what if scenarios, and I'm obsessed a bit with history and historical events. Yeah, napapamarathon talaga ako sa YouTuber na to, and matalino tong mga naiisip niya. Like, parang pinag-e-effortan niya talaga na pag-isipan ng mga what if scenarios sa history, mga kaunggoy. And if you're a fan of history, then go check his channel. Ako, napapamarathon talaga ako sa kanya. Paano mo malalaman na may feelings siya sa'yo? Love advice. Wala akong alam sa love advice. Siguro kung siya yung palaging nagchat-chat sa'yo, yun para sa akin dun mo malalaman kung may feelings yung isang tao sa'yo. Siguro pag lagi siya nagchat-chat sa'yo, siya yung first chat. Pag hindi ka nagre-reply sa kanya, parang kukulitin ka niya at kukulitin, parang hahanapin ka niya or whatever. I don't know, I'm not sure. Hindi ko masasabi yan. Wala akong alam sa mga ganyan-ganyan. Ano masasabi niyo sa liquor ban, mga lodi? I think it's necessary. Although it's sad, it's sad kasi hindi na kami makakagawa ng alak tutorials during the liquor ban. Pero Manong, hindi kayo makakagawa ng alak tutorials. Bakit nakaka-upload pa kayo every Monday? Kasi Yung mga Alak tutorials na na-upload namin every Monday is mga pre-recorded na yon. Manong Jerry, pre-recorded? What do you mean? Pre-recorded, halimbawa, alam ko nasabi ko na to sa isang video nung isang araw. Halimbawa, May 3 ngayon, ma-upload yung video na ginawa ko ngayon, mga June 3, ganon. Manong, how is that possible? Bakit kayo nag-iintay ng ganong katagal? Sinespread out ko lahat ng mga videos namin kasi sa isang araw, hindi lang isang video na gagawa namin. Mga 5, 2, 3, advance ako mag-isip. Gagawin kong isi-spread out ko yan throughout the weeks, throughout the months para hindi kami mawalan ng video, para hindi kami mag-procrastinate na maggawa pa ng video. Oh, malapit na Monday, wala pa kaming video. Kailangan madali na namin tong gagawin namin na video kasi Monday, every Monday dapat may video. Para hindi na kami mag-procrastinate, ayun, isang araw, maraming video na isi-shoot, maraming video na gagawin sa isang araw. And that's what happens. Kahit quarantine, may mga na-upload pa kaming Alak tutorials and we're running out of Alak tutorials. That's the scary part. Liquor ban, I think it's necessary para sa liquor ban kasi liquor, alcohol, we all know it turns your body to shit. Like, alam natin yan mga kaunggoy, nakakababa ng immune system yung mga alcohol na yan. You know, in a time like this, there's something na illness na nangyayari, nagsispread ngayon. Our immune system must be as powerful as Goku. No, I don't care who you are, dapat yung immune system mo is as immune as ever. Sa sobrang lakas ng immune system mo, kailangan yung immune system ng ibang tao matakot sa immune system mo kasi sobrang lakas ng immune system mo. Gets nyo? Basta kailangan malakas ang immune system natin, and I think liquor ban is necessary. It may be sad for Alak tutorials fans, pero it's necessary. For the good of mankind, ladies and gentlemen. That is all for this Q&A episode video. If you guys want to ask more mga Q&A videos, then comment down below, message, FB, this video, whatever. Basta magbigay kayo sa amin ng mga Q&A questions, alright? Para matuloy-tuloy itong itanong mo kay Manong. Lalo na ngayong wala na kaming maisip na content. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and that's the bottom line because Manong Jairus said so. Shoutout nga pala sa comment of the day. Hindi ko makikita yan ngayon kaya hindi ko masasabi yung pangalan. Pero nandito na ngayon, nakikita nyo na sa screen. Pinipili kasi namin yung mga comment of the day during editing kaya hindi namin mape-predict kung sino yung comment of the day kasi sobrang daming comments mga kaunggoy kaya mahirap magpili. So shoutout sa'yo sa kung sino man yung comment of the day. Thank you for commenting and yeah, thank you.